Hi guys, welcome back. Here's our four little budgies. Just a simple fact about budgies. They are friendly, they are sociable, they are also playful, they are likable, they love eating lettuce, and also they are cute, like Cindy. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Don't fight. Yeah. They are so cute, like Amber. Cindy, come here. They want to fly. They want to stay on the frame. They are not so tame, but it will when times come, but they are already friendly. Yeah. Cindy, come Cindy. Cindy is a little too shy. Yeah, not like Amber. Amber wants always to stay on my finger. Yeah. Now go back. Every day we love to play with them, especially Sophia. Say hi, Amber. How about you, Flounder? Oh, he doesn't want to come to my finger. Come, guys. Yeah, don't stay in the frame. Yeah. I like Cindy and Amber because they are the one who always comes to my finger, and sometimes we can hold them. See? And this is Amber. Yeah. But Amber is the most playful one. See? But these two guys doesn't want to come on my finger, but I'll try. Yeah, see? But sometimes Flanders can come. Come on. Oops. I'll chase you. Later for James. Here you go. Yeah, I think Flanders will come now to my finger. Come. Yay! Thank you. Just a second. How about you? You want to swing there? Up. See, I need to chase for James, but anyway, I'll just love to play with Amber. Cindy, she just wants only to stay on that bar, on that swing. Okay guys, see you next time. God bless.